Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be making petal dust. To make this petal dust, we are going to be using common ingredients found around us. So this is corn flour and I have used 1 tablespoon in each of these bowls here. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of vodka to each of these plates now. I'm going to be making the first one rose pink. This is a color that I find very difficult to get. And I'm using this spoon. Should I call it a spoon? I made it out of my plastic spoons, okay? So I used the main parts, where they eat, as a cup for my wafer paper flowers, and so I decided to use the bottom part to use it and be getting as a scoop for my colors, okay? So in most of my videos you will see them. So this is how I got them. Everything is a tool around me. I have a lot of this tiny little, what I call them, spoons. Okay, so I've just mixed my rose pink with the vodka. And now I'm going to be adding it to my corn flour, and then with a regular spoon I'm going to be stirring it. So you don't want a watery consistency, you want something that is almost very, very thick, okay? Make sure that you mix it thoroughly. While we are mixing our corn flour and cornstarch, they are both the same, okay? If this is your first time of being on my channel and you like what you're saying, please look below and hit the subscribe button. Don't also forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post beautiful videos like this. We are all about cake decoration. We are all about wafer paper decoration. We love to create DIYs, and soon we are going to be adding a segment where we'll be talking about cake pricing and costing. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. We really appreciate your likes and your support. Okay, so I'm done mixing the corn flour. You can see that it's not liquidy, it's not it's just okay. It should be a consistency that when you mix it, it closes back. So if you mistakenly pour too much of vodka, all you just need to do is add a little bit more cornstarch because you don't want it to be liquid, okay? So this is exactly how we are going to be mixing in the others. I'm going to be doing yellow and I'm going to be doing orange, bright yellow and orange. These are colors that I find difficult to get around here. So let's continue with the others. This time I've just poured the vodka into one plate and I'm just going to be mixing the yellow color into it. I'm feeling a bit reluctant to go and get another bowl because I forgot to get 3 separate bowls. So it's still going to work, okay? So just do exactly what I did right now and you still achieve the same results. I love to make wafer paper flowers a lot, and as you know, when you make wafer paper or flowers in general, you need to dust them to make them look a little bit more realistic. And most times I don't seem to get the kind of petal dust colors that I want. And there are some colors that you just cannot create. Like these ones that I'm making now, you can't get yellow color, for instance, from any other kind of petal color. You can get orange from any other kind of petal color. Okay, you can actually get orange, but not very, very bright, because if you have yellow and you have red, you mix the 2 of them together, you can get orange. But I just decided to create this. So now this is like 4 hours later. You can see that it's practically, or no, it's not practically, it's a little bit dry. So you need to come and mix your cornstarch because you don't want it to get rock dry before you do that. If not, you may not be able to mix it. So I have just come down to mix and mix. I'll be mixing the 3 of them and I'll be leaving it on my table. I left it on my table before now. I'm going to still leave it on my table and then it's going to get dry. Okay, so this is our completely dry. Okay, it's completely dry. This is okay. I can't even touch it. This is dry and this is dry. So the next thing you can do is pass it through a sieve to make it completely okay. So let me see. Let me take some. Can you see it? Okay, so I'm just trying to dust this slightly yellow.